So I'm outside and it's hot and I really can't carry that damn thing. It's about 60 kilos. I just got the Maike Mk8 scooter from Hyperion, and so far looks nice. I do have to unbox it, so bear with me. Crossy Dogger. By the way, I'm Terrence Triano. I am the local disaster reduction management officer for Calibo, which is really a mouthful. My channel also about tactical gear, tactical gear review, disaster management, raw videos of observations or something during disasters, and of course one of my passions, which is electric scooters. And I got this one. This is from Hyperion, Maike Mk8, and let's check it out. Okay, I do have to say that this is the shipping is okay. It got held up during the Typhoon Broly, to be precise. I think somewhere in Batangas or the middle, maybe Mindoro or something, and it arrived just this morning, which is about a week after, which is okay. The delivery is okay because it's through the Typhoon, and the packaging is well done, actually. So let's open it. Let's remove the films first, the plastics. It says here, pakiingatan po, salamat, or please take care of this. Thank you. Yeah, that's in English. So yeah, it says fragile all over. That's good. So let's try to open this. There's a lot of clean wrap. Okay, next time I'll bring the other knife, which is it's more of a thing that you have to jab it. It's not for slicing. I did have to figure out the flaps, and it's right here along the edges. I have to capture it delicately, of course. You don't want any damages. So that looks good. Okay, so I think then dropping will begin. So acknowledgement sheet from Hyperion, link right here. They have a Facebook page, and the owners actually are nice people. So yeah. The female owner is also a frontliner. Basically a nurse, so that's a good thing. Reason why I'm so interested with this is because I do have to use it as part of my daily drive. I do have the Stingray ES4, 9-bot ES4, so that's part of it. But again, yeah, Maike Philippines right here. I probably use it, but not a lot. So my my wife will probably be using this. So I got this one. This is the seat for the scooter. So the cushion's nice, it's wide, and this is really, I like this. The construction of the cushion is good. So I'll probably be using it sometime, but not a lot. Whoa, it is massive. 11 inches wheels. It's built for off-roading, but I asked the dealer to change the tires, road tires. So again, looks nice. It comes with a free Wildman 2-liter pouch. I think this is 2 liter. I think this, yeah, 2-liter pouch. And that's free from the dealer. Angel Eyes lights double, which really looks awesome. And we have double chargers because it will make my life easier. We'll be charging faster. I get the stem out. Sorry, the handlebar. I just have to remove flat plastic. Filipinos are not fond of removing plastics and stuff, especially new ones. I'm not. I just have to look at what it looks like, and oh, our cat's curious. Let's look at it more closely. Barney, shut up. That's it for the Maike Mk8 unboxing. Barney! And I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you in how I set it up. My dog's kind of going crazy. See you next time. I'll show you how I'll set it up and probably do some of the rides. Testing coming up later. Yeah, next time I see you.